today's video, we're going to show you different types of chairs that you can get to match your space. So these are blue velvet dining chair, very easy to clean, very soft, very easy to maneuver. And you can see I have plenty of clearance. This is a 30-inch height and they come in 4 black legs. You can get different colors of legs and the velvet, so stay tuned for the whole video. It comes in a box. Inside the box you will see 4 base seats and separate metal legs to attach, so you have to make it yourself, but it really only takes a few minutes. And they're all available in 7 different colors, so you can mix and match between different colors of legs and the material for the seats. So now let's put this together. So there is a little bit of a bow up here, so there's only one way that this will go on, but the one that's bowing out towards the back seat, and then these are the screws, and then you have an Allen key. So let's go and put this through, and then you use the provided Allen key just to tighten it up. And here it is. Again, if you're worried about velvet leaving like patterns like this, all you have to do is just do this and we'll go back to being smooth. That's on this side and on this side. It's really hard to actually get these dirty. I would maybe recommend, depending on the flooring that you have, even though there's these plastic bottom feet, you probably would want to maybe add something else, like some sort of a felt. Again, it depends on your flooring. They're pretty comfortable. I mean, metal base. I'm fitting right here. There's a 30-inch height, and yeah, I think it looks pretty good. And that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.